Well, hello there, beautiful person. It's your girl Nasa. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my bedroom, and no one asked for this, but here it is anyways. And if you want to see more random unsolicited videos like this, then do subscribe to my channel and stick around and see what I'm going to come up with next. So let's get started with this tour.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that, join Nasa and you'll be glad.
Okay, so yes, we have an appointment for a beautiful person. Yes, a party of one for 5:15. Perfect. Okay, you don't have a mask, so that's right, we have some extras. Yep. Okay, here you are. Let the tour begin. Let's step in right now. This is the bedroom. Okay, so first up we have the door, right? Exciting. So here I have the items that I usually need when I'm like running outside the door real quick. So there's my purse, and then umbrella, mask, necklace, that's always here. I never really wear it. Headphones, these are the tassels from high school graduation. And then my headphones again. And my other headphones are usually in here, but right now they're in my closet. And here, right next to the door, is this little canvas that I made. It has one of my favorite quotes from Mary Poppins, which is, "Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down." And here's my closet, but we'll save that for later because next on the list is my mirror, and that's over there. So here's the mirror that I got from Home Depot for about $6. And here, you know, I check my outfits and I do a little bit of this sometimes. I'm only squatting down here because you're so short. But here we have the vanity table, which has my makeup altar here lying peacefully. So here are the goodies right here. If you want a more in-depth makeup tour, then you can comment down below so that we can schedule that appointment for sure. But here's just a little quick run through. There's the mirror, and then some more of the makeup, and my brushes, which are dirty. And this is the chair that I made. It was previously black. I just spray painted it gold, and you can see where that paint is chipping off. And then I ordered some faux fur and hot glued it to the cushions, and voila! It took me less than $30 to do, and I still have some leftover fur. And the spray paint, I used it for like multiple items. Hold up, how'd you get so tall? That's freaky, you play too much. Okay, anyways, on with the tour. Here I have this bottle that I bought from Ross, and it's one of my favorite things. It like unscrews, and yeah, I just like filled it with body spray, and it's fun. It's cute. It makes me feel, I don't know, really bougie. Here I got some sample perfumes, and then some of my full-size perfumes. I have more, but they're currently at my aunt's house, and I have to pick those up soon. And then I have some smaller, like rollerball and purse sprays, perfumes. And then on the next two drawers, I got some jewelry. Here is my shiny rap music video jewelry. And then in this box, I keep studs. And in this box is like my more fancy jewelry, you know. And then here I have my hippie drum circle jewelry. So I got the beaded bracelets and stuff, this necklace that I made with a matching bracelet. And then these are some of my crystals. Let me see. Okay, this is fluorite, aquamarine, apatite, obsidian, moonstone, kyanite, pyrite, labradorite, turquoise, but that's a bracelet. And this is like a stone. So I asked my boyfriend to find me a shark tooth when he went to the beach, and then he brought me back this. It's chipped, by the way. But anyways, he brought me back this, telling me that it was a shark tooth, and I was like, that's a rock. And still to this day, he tells me that it's a shark tooth, but that's a rock. Oh, but I gotta give it to him. It is shaped like a shark tooth, but that's a rock. And I got some more crystals here. Here is a citrine. And this is, you know, a seashell that I found at the beach. Okay, and this is selenite. Here is a bracelet. It's got some carnelian, sunstone, clear quartz, tiger's eye, copper, and I believe these black ones are, what are they? Black obsidian, I think, or they're black tourmaline, I'm not sure. And then here's a picture frame that I spray painted gold, and then this is a leaf that my boyfriend found me, and in the shape of a heart, and you know, I made it cute, put it in a frame. And here's some more of my wall decor. This is a frame that I spray painted gold, and this is a canvas bulletin board that I made. It's got some pictures, business card, glasses, all that stuff. And this is a vase that I spray painted gold and got some flowers on them. It's cute. And here is my nightstand. Got my super cool lamp here, you know, on, off. And it's super cool because I got like my chargers on it, and you know, I can charge my devices like, you know, right here instead of having to use the one right here, which is used for the lamp, and my candle warmer, and yeah, water bottle, books, glasses, more books, stuff in here. This, oh, it opened, okay. Scissor, calculator, handy stuff, notepad, Bible, pins, bam. So here I have this cord that I use approximately from 12 to 8 a.m. and I use it to reboot and receive my downloads at night. And yeah, oh, this water is just decoration. Oh yes, I see you have found the bed. Yeah, so these sheets are from Ross. Those pillows are from Five Below. The bear, let me introduce you real quick. Her name is Betta because it's like Betty, but Betta. And now for the final part of the tour. Woo! Okay, so here we are, the grand opening, or the, yeah, this. So here I have my little home music studio. You know, there's my little soundproof booth. I made a video on how I made it. So whenever I'm making music, this is what I use. I eventually want to get like a higher quality mic because this one is from Best Buy. It was like $50. So gotta work that one up. And if you lower your eyes a bit, no, not there, no, it's a little messy, don't look. Okay, so right here, good. Yeah, this is where I put my laptop whenever I'm like reading it or like using it to record and reading my lyrics whenever I'm recording. And then this is like my, I guess like my YouTube studio whenever I'm filming a video and I just wanna, this backdrop, and it's really wrinkly, but it's paper and I can't iron it, so yeah, that will burn. So yeah, this is my closet. I'm using it as a studio and it's been pretty amazing. Oh yeah, and right here, this is my makeup kit. So yeah, this is my freelance makeup kit. I have only had one customer, and I'm not doing too well in the makeup business, but that's okay because I moved on to other things like music. Yeah, that is all. So that was my whole room tour. I really hope that you like it. If you want to see more of my videos, then subscribe to my channel because it doesn't stop here. No, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep uploading. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and then I'll see you next time. Goodbye, beautiful people. I sent you my love. Mwah!